Hey everyone, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my Qloud wrist rest set from Qloud.
This amazing wrist rest set for your computer is so comfortable. It's made out of really high density memory foam, and you're gonna get three pieces. So you have this long memory foam for your keyboard, a shorter one for your mouse, and they even give you a mouse pad. I love that the different shape of this Qloud is almost giving you a little wrist massage as you move around. So it's really nice and comfortable. It has definitely helped me with that hand fatigue that you feel at the end of a long day of working. And they just look so cute. So they come in so many different colors. I have it in white. You can see that the memory foam is so plush. So it makes sense it's a cloud shape because it really does feel great on your hands. It also looks really cute on your desk. So not only does it serve a purpose, but it is also very aesthetically pleasing. The material that this set is made with is also really nice because it's smooth against the skin and it is also waterproof. So if you spill anything on it, then it's very easy to clean up. The mouse pad has a rubber base, and the two Qloud wrist rests have this silicone base that's not sticky, so it doesn't attract dust or fuzz. It just prevents it from sliding around. So I really like that material at the base. It comes in so many gorgeous colors like this light pink, which is also really beautiful and feminine. So have fun searching through their colors to find the perfect one for your desk.
And that's my point of view.